नमस्सर्वेभ्यः शुभमध्याह्नः स्वागतं कक्ष्यायां। तो अस्माभिः अद्य प्रातःकाले द्वितीयपाठस्य प्रारम्भः किञ्चित् कृतः। तत्र कृदन्तानां विषये पठन्तः स्मः वयं। तत्र शत्रन्तरूपाणां पुल्लिङ्गे द्वितीयाविभक्तौ उदाहरणानि कानिचन उदाहरणवाक्यानि दृष्टवन्तः। परन्तु इतोपि सन्ति, तेषां पठनम् इदानीम् अनुवर्तयामः, कुर्मः। धावन्तं मृगं रामः अनुसृतवान्। मृगं रामः अनुसृतवान्। कीदृशं मृगं? धावन्तं, the one which is running, that kind of deer, Rama he followed. Okay. Anu means behind something. So Anusrutavan. So he followed. Nrityantam mayuram avalokya sarpaha palayitavantaha. Mayuraha apicha sarpaha vairinaha. तौ द्वौ वैरिणः। सामान्यतया मयूरः एव विजेता भवति सर्पस्य अपेक्षया। सो मयूरः सर्पं खादिष्यति। तत्कारणात् नृत्यन्तं मयूरम् अवलोक्य अर्थात् दृष्ट्वा सर्पाः पलायितवन्तः। So dancing peacock, upon seeing the serpents, they took to their feet. The best translation in English is that for palaitavantaha is took to their feet. Okay. Navanitam chorayantam krishnam gopi bhartsitavati. Gopi krishnam bhartsitavati. Okay. Kidrisham krishnam chorayantam krishnam. The one who was stealing, in the act of stealing. Kim chorayantam krishnam bhartsitavati. Navanitam chorayantam krishnam bhartsitavati. So, for the chorakriya, chaurya kriya, I should say. For the chaurya kriya, Navanitam is the karma pada. Okay. And Krishna is the karma pada for Bhartsana. Bhartsana kriya by gopis. Who is the karta. By the gopi, one single gopi, clearly his mother, who blamed. Okay. Archayantam bhaktam devah anugrihitavan. Devah bhaktam anugrihitavan. Kidrisham bhaktam archayantam bhaktam. The one who was offering his archana to the deva, that person, deva, he granted him. That means whatever his dharmic desires, they were granted by deva. Uttaram ajanantam chhatram guruhu utthapitavan. Kakshayam asmasu अस्माकं शालायां भवति स्म किल। तो एवम् उत्तरम् अजानन्तं छात्रं गुरुः उत्थापितवान्। गुरुः कमपि उत्थापितवान्। कं छात्रं? कीदृशं छात्रम्? अजानन्तं छात्रं। किम् अजानन्तम्? उत्तरम् अजानन्तम्। Answer not knowing, that type of student, the teacher, he made him stand up. Utthapitavan, he made him stand up. Okay. Gayantam gayakam janaha prashamsitavantah. Gayantam gayakam, singing singer. See the same dhatu there. Okay. The people appreciated. Vishayam smarantam bhashanakaram drishtva sarve hasitavantah. Smarantam bhashanakaram. So somebody is standing up there on the podium starting a speech. He forgot his lines. He's doing. So everybody laughed. So Vishayam smarantam bhashanakaram drishtva, having seen, sarve hasitavantaha. There is no karma pada involved for hasana kriya. So Bhavan kridatah balakan pashyatu. So there is a special form here. Okay. So so far antam, patantam, prapnuvantam, all of them had a 1 second. There's some sound coming. All of them had ekavachana. Okay, singular. Is there a question, Mahodaya?
Yes. What is the meaning of Prashamsavatara? Being felicitated, huh? 11th one.
Prashamsitavantaha. Prashamsa. Do you know prashamsa? So that means appreciation.
Praise?
Appreciation, praise. Okay.
Appreciation. Thank you, sir.
So all of them so far, what we are seeing, they're all singular. Okay. Now we are switching to plural. Okay, that's why you're starting to see slightly different form. So it's something that we have to internalize and practice now. So Bhavan, this is the you in third person. Okay, Bhavan. Kridatah balakan. You see here, balakam has become balakan. So bahuvachana. Karmapada only. Balakah, balakau, balakaha. Balakam, balakau, balakan. Iti dvitiya bahuvachane. Tu tatheva. कृदन्तरूपः शत्रन्तरूपः अपि बहुवचने क्रीडन्तं बालकम् इति यत् आसीत् तस्य रूपपरिवर्तनं क्रीडतः बालकान् इति अभवत्. ओके, पश्यतु, भवान् पश्यतु, यू सी. सो दिस् इस् थर्ड पर्सन लोट. ओके, तूष्णीं तिष्ठतः कर्मकरान् स्वामी akshiptavan. Akshepa, you know, some kind of unaccepting, blaming, that is called akshepa. Some kind of countering or not accepting and telling them, you know, not doing right, something like that. You have to do it right, whatever. So that is being done by the Swami, who is a boss here. Swami is to be taken as a boss here. Okay. Tishtatah karmakaran swami akshiptavan. So the workers who were standing, in what way they were standing? Tushnim tishtatah. Okay, quiet, I mean, without doing any activity. So such workers who were standing, though with those as karmapada, bahuvachana, the Swami, he objected. Okay, there is a translation here, took to task. It is a little stretch. It just at this sense of akshepa is he objected. That's all. Okay, that's probably you can say took to task in a larger sense. Who are idling.
Admonish can be used.
Yes, Bhagini. Samyak uttaram vadatah. Samyak uttaram vadatah balakan acharyah shlaghitavan. So vadatah balakan. So just focus on the key set here. I don't know why Bhavan has been highlighted. It's by mistake. Kridatah balakan. Tishtatah karmakaran. Vadatah balakan. So that is the pairing. Okay. Samyak uttaram vadatah balakan acharyah shlagitavan. So earlier we saw akshepa, bhartsana, etc. The opposite of that is shlaghana, appreciation. Okay. So that's what it is. Shlagana is appreciate. So acharyah shlagitavan.
Same like prashamsitavantaha, like the same praise.
So acharyah balakan shlaghitavan. So the many boys he appreciated. Kidrishan balakan vadatah balakan. Those who were speaking. Kim vadatah uttaram vadatah. Okay. Punah kidrisham uttaram samyak uttaram vadatah. That's it. So samyak is like an additional qualifier to the uttara here. Okay. Proper answer giving students, the teacher appreciated. Butler translation. Vedam rakshatah panditan ko va na manayati. Vedam rakshatah pandita. Rakshatah panditan. So ko va na manayati. This is you look at this phrase carefully. Ko is like kaha. Utva of kaha. So kaha va na manayati. This is like a nice phrase. Who will not appreciate or respect? Mana is like a respect. 15, you see, honors, not honors. That means respect. Okay, so kahvana manayati, who will not appreciate or respect those panditas who are protecting the Vedas by practicing it and continuing the parampara. That's what is the statement. Okay, rakshataha panditan. Nindatah durjanan janaha duri kurvanti. Nindatah durjanan. Those bad people who are always ascribing the blame on others, who are blaming others, nindatah, those such durjanas with as objects by the people, they make him, I mean, they keep away. Duri kurvanti means they stay away themselves also and stay those people away from themselves. Both sense is there in Duri Kurvanti. Okay, usually you can't move them, so you have to move yourself away. if they moved away, they're not Durjanas. Nyayam anusaratah adhikarinah sarve adriyante. Anusaratah adhikarinah, following those officers who follow, who are following. Officers who are following the nyaya, or what is the right thing to do. Sarve adriyante, them as objects, they are everybody adriyana. Let's see the meaning they have given. Respect. Okay, so they have given similar to that manayati, a slight different color is there into that. So respect. Okay. Likatah chatran ma ahvaya. Chatran ma ahvaya. Don't invite the students. Kidrishan chatran likatah chatran. Those who are writing. That means let them do their job. Don't disturb them. Something like that. Ahvana ahvaya. Don't invite. Okay. Lot. Margam prichantam Pantham prati margam darshitavan. Pantham is a very interesting word. Pantha in Sanskritam means path. Actually, the English word path, you can say, is probably through the ages from pantha. Okay, pantha means a path. Okay, so pantha is a person on the way. Okay, that means a traveler. Beautiful construction again. A roadie, if you can use the English similar senses, he is a roadie, we say, no, not a rowdy. ROADY, roadie. So what that means is he is a traveler. वो सब समय बाइक में उठा बैठ के चलता रहता है, वो रोडी है, मतलब पांथः पांथः. सो तम पांथम कर्मपदा पृच्छन्तं पांथम. पुनः we are back to ekavachana. If you notice, 20th is a ekavachana prayoga. Suddenly out of the blue, I don't know why it slipped into the position 20, but it's interesting anyway. They have to start mixing it up anyway for us. Okay. Margam prichantam pantam. The pantha or the patika. Patika is another derivation similar. The patika, there are different kridanta techniques to derive these things in Sanskritam. It has a lovely set of ways of hanging around a kriya dhatu and deriving nouns, as we saw in very first few lessons. We saw the charts for that. So prichantam pantham, ask the one who was asking, what asking? Margam. Okay, margam prichantam pantham prati, towards him. Margam darshitavan, I mean pointing to him or directed to him, that is that prati. Okay, margam darshitavan. Kaha darshitavan atra na uktam asti. Who showed him the path is not written here. Somebody showed him the path, anamikaha. So that anamikaha is the one who is in the darshitavan, one who showed him the path. Okay, I hope you appreciate that. So let us see what is this kridatah. Okay, so don't confuse kriyapadam kridatah, let thing, with this shatranta padam kridatah, soup. Okay, so this is dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachana, soup kridatah, shatranta. Okay, whereas let thing also has kridatah. Okay, so you have to be little careful about it. Kridati, Kridatah, Kridanti, something like that perhaps. Okay. So like earlier also Bagini somewhere was, I think with some other word, or I don't know whether it's with this one. She was also asking, how do I know? So, I mean, contextually you have to know. Okay. See,
Mahodaya,
finally
but
it is ekating vakyam. See, Kridatah cannot be there in the same sentence as Pashyatu. So one is lot tinganta, another is lat dvivachana tinganta. There is no scope for dvivachana tinganta here. So clearly you have to search for what else it is.
and always it is followed by the noun. So as it is Visheshanam, tat sarvada namavachakan sanya shabdaneva anusarati.
स्यात् तथा यदा अन्वयक्रमे लिखामः तथा भवति, परन्तु श्लोकेषु अत्र तत्र भवितुं शक्यते तत्। अत्र तु सामान्य सरल अन्वितवाक्यम् इति यथा भवत्या उक्तं तथैव अस्ति। आम्, सम्यक्, भवता यदुक्तं तत् सम्यक्। सामान्यतया अस्माकं पद्धतिः का? सामान्यलेखने पदानां लेखनं अन्तिमस्तरे क्रियते किञ्चित्, तत् पूर्वं सर्वं लिखामः। अपि च यथा भवत्या उक्तं विशेषस्य प्रथमस्तरे एव लिखित्वा विशेषणं लिखित्वा विशेष्यं सूचयामः, एवम् अस्माकं क्रमः। अपि च सामान्यतया कर्ता प्रथमतया सूच्यते, एवं क्रमः। तत् भवेत् तथैव इति नास्ति। संस्कृतं तु विभक्ति भिन्नविभक्तिषु पृथक् पृथक् अन्तरूपाणि सन्ति इति इतस्ततः कुर्मः चेदपि अर्थं प्राप्तुं शक्नुमः तत्र। अस्तु, तो अत्र संक्षेपेण पुनः शत्रु नपुंसके इदानीं किं कृतं, नपुंसके कथम् अस्ति इति प्रथमायाम् अपि च द्वितीयायां, प्रथमा विभक्त्याम् अपि च द्वितीया विभक्त्यां शत्रन्तरूपाणि नपुंसके कथं भवति इति। यथा भवद्भिः ज्ञातं, इतः पूर्वमपि ज्ञातं, नपुंसकलिङ्गे तु प्रथमा विभक्तौ अपि च द्वितीया विभक्तौ किञ्चित् भिन्न रूपं प्राप्नोति। शब्दाः पुल्लिङ्गात् भिन्नानि भवन्ति, परन्तु तृतीया विभक्तितः सप्तमी पर्यन्तं यथा पुल्लिङ्गे तथैव प्रक्रिया प्रचलति। अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्गस्य अन्तानि यथा अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गे भवति तथैव भवति इति वयं जानीमः। यथा फलशब्दः रामवत् भवति तृतीया विभक्तितः, रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः, फलेन फलाभ्यां फलैः, तथैव। परन्तु प्रथमायां द्वितीयां भिन्नत्वमस्ति। फलं फले फलानि इति, तत्र रामः रामौ रामाः इति बहु भिन्नं। तो तर्हि प्रथमा एवं द्वितीया विभक्तौ किञ्चित् पठनीयम् अस्माभिः नपुंसकलिङ्गानां रूपाणि। तो कथं भवति? यथा अस्माभिः ज्ञायते शत्रन्तस्य अत् अत् इति प्रत्ययरूपं किल। तो अत् इत्येव भवति नपुंसके, पठत् इत्येव। पठन् इति नास्ति, अथवा पठन्ति इति यथा स्त्रीलिङ्गे आसीत् तथा नास्ति, पठत् इत्येव। तो एवं तकारान्तवत् चलति। यथा भगिन्या अपि प्रातःकाले किमपि उक्तं, पठत् इत्यस्य एवं भवति, एवं किं मया विस्मृतं तत्, रूपाणि एतादृशान् शब्दान् अनुसरन्ति इति सा उक्तवती। तथैव एवं। So neutral gender form of patan. The neutral forms of present participles differ from the masculine forms only in prathama and dvitiya vibhakti. Tritiya onwards, the forms of neuter are similar to those in masculine. Therefore, we give below a few sentences containing the participle forms of the neuter gender in prathama and dvitiya vibhakti. I tried to say all that in Sanskritam, so they have clearly put it out in English there. Prathama vibhakti napumsake udyane pushpam vikasat asti. Vikasat asti. So if it was, for example, vrikshaha, vikasan asti, we have to say. Udyane vrikshaha. Remember, vriksha in Sanskritam is a pullinga pada. Pushpam is a napumsakalinga pada. We are happy with all napumsakas in Dravida Desha. because for us everything other than people is napumsaka. So vriksham, pushpam, like that we think. No, no, no. Vrikshaha. But here it is in Prathama Vibhakti. Pushpam is in Prathama Napumsaka. Pushpam, pushpe, pushpani. Pushpam vikasat asti. So Prathama Ekavachana, Prathama Ekavachana. Okay. So that is the karta of the Vikasana Kriya, like basically. But here Shatranta and then a normal thing, asti iti. Blooming it is. In the garden, the flower blooming it is. Butler translation. After that, you go to the Queen's English. Pushpam is a neuter gender word. Hence, the Vikasat, which is an adjective to it, is also in the same gender. The obvious is stated. So let us read the next few. Samskrita Pracharakaryam, sorry for the gap. Samskrita Pracharakaryam Samyak Prachalat Asti. So Prachalat Asti, it is occurring, it is like that. Okay, that means it is happening. So Samyak, it is happening. Properly it is happening. What? Samskrita Pracharya Karyam, the work of spreading the language of Sanskrit. Beautiful. Bhavataha Adhyayanam Katham Prachalat Asti. Remember to always use tone. People read Sanskrit flat. Try to use the same tones that you use in your mother tongue. Okay. Katham Prachalat Asti. Then it becomes very easy to understand. Okay. Whenever you see these question words, time to start lifting the tone. You don't even need the question mark. Bhavataha Adhyayanam Katham Prachalat Asti. How it is ongoing. Is and ongoing. So Prachalat Asti. Vrakshat Parnam Patat Asti. From the tree, the leaf falling it is. That means it is falling from the tree. Okay. Of course, in many cases, it's enough to say patati. But patati doesn't give that video. It is like a static situation. It falls like that. But that patat asti is like a video of that same thing. That continuous sense. Patat asti or patat asit also we can say. It is a video of the past. That's all. Okay. Yantragare yantram shabdam kurvat asti. In the factory, yantragara means some kind of factory with machines. Yantram, the machine, shabdam, sound, kurvat asti. Shabdam is the karma here. Yantra is the karta. And he is doing the shabda. So, kurvat asti. See, it is making the sound like that. Jalabandhat jalam nirgachat asti. See this name, yaugika shabda it is. Jala means water, bandha means stoppage or some kind of barrier. So water barrier, from the water barrier. Okay, from the water barrier. Panchami. So jalabandhat jalam nirgachat asti. From the dam, the water going out it is. Going out because nirgacchati, leaves. So that's why I use the out there. Okay. Chullehe upari patre sthitam kshiram udgachat asti. Chullehe, chulli. All the Hindi people know this very well. Chulli is the thing for putting fire. That is stove. Okay. So off the stove. So this is Shashti. Chullehe upari. On top of the stove. Off the stove is chullehe. On top is upari. Okay. Patre, in the vessel. Okay. Saptami. Patre, in the vessel. Sthitam, standing. Kshiram, milk. Napumsakapada. I'm sorry for the periodic unmuting intervention. I apologize. Somebody is having a problem with their microphone, I think. Udgachat asti. It is boiling over. Udgachat is how we say in Dravida Bhasha, uk. That is the bubbling up of the milk and spilling over. That is that kind of sense is there in Udgachat asti. So milk does that, as we know. Okay. So it is boiling over. In the milk that is standing in the vessel on top of a stove is boiling over. Shabdam kurvat lokayanam marge atishtat. Lokayanam atishtat. It stood. Where? Kutra marge. Kidrisham lokayanam. Okay, so Shabdam kurvat lokayanam. You have to say that together. Okay, so kurvat lokayanam. Nashyat vastram nirdhane khedam janayati. So nashyat vastram, the cloth. See the same, like somebody pointed out, vasa vastra. So the vastra form is used here. So nashyat vastram, the slowly deteriorating. Nashyat is in the sense of deteriorating. To use the Queen's pronunciation. Vastram, the cloth, as an object. Actually, not as an object, as a subject. Okay, because vastram janayati. Kim janayati? Vastram kim janayati? Khedam janayati. So vastram is, it's the napumsaka pratama vibhakti karta in this sentence. Kheda is the karma. Janayati. So it produces khinnata or kheda, or what you call sadness, dukkha in the person. In which person? Nirdhane. Nirdhane kedam janayati. Okay. Yah nirdhanah asti tasmin nirdhane saptamyam. Okay. Start slowly falling into the vibhakti, what you call identification mode, at least for the simple ones. Tough ones we have to look up, but simple ones are very easy. Okay. So here nashyat vastram. Vimanam shabdam kurvat akashat apatat. Ayoyoyo. Sadness. The aeroplane may sound while making, or making the sound, akashat, from the sky, it fell. Apatat. Spurat netram shubham ashubham va suchayati. Beautiful one. Spurana in Sanskritam means winking. Okay, or the eye coverings opening and closing. Okay, not necessarily winking in the sense of what we say, winking at someone like that. Blinking. Okay, blinking is the correct.
Twitching of eye.
Twitching is another word. Blinking, twitching. So twitching eye. Shubham ashubham va suchayati. Good or bad, it indicates. Let us take Shubham suchayati. Who cares? Because both are said. So we'll take the favorable set. That's how I look at the cat crossing the street. Forget what is the direction and say it is Shubha. Akashe nakshatrani spuranti santi. Remember this. Spuranti. Okay. So subtle difference here. Okay, so this has multiple places. This can be, this form can appear. In this case, it happens to be a napumsaka bahuvachana. Nakshatrani spuranti santi. Okay, it's a shatranta bahuvachana napumsake. Nakshatrani spuranti santi. So spurana again is somewhat like blinking, twinkling in the sky. I have to be careful in this group. Somebody, will come up with a better explanation. So I want to try and say a few ways the same thing. Stars are twinkling in the sky. Marge yanani gachanti santi. In the street or in the road, on the road, whichever way you want to say in English. Yanani, the vehicles, gachanti santi. So the bahuvachana rupa is a little tricky. Okay. Remember, spuranti is strilinga, shatranta ekavachana, dirgha. Spuranti is shatranta napumsaka bahuvachana. So you have to be careful. And perhaps also it will usually clash with the lat bahuvachana of the tingantas. Okay. Spurati, spuratah, spuranti. Gacchati, gacchatah, gachanti, patati, patatah, patanti, prachalati, prachalatah, prachalanti. So don't confuse it with thing. We know the technique of not confusing with thing is look for the actual thing if it is present, or look for a subject to check the whether it belongs to bahuvachana and such associations. Okay, and then then you can conclude. For example, if I cut the santi here, okay. If I cut the santi, this ceases to be a shatranta, but it suddenly becomes a kriyapada. Okay. Akashe nakshatrani spuranti. In the sky, the stars, they twinkle. There is no twinkling quality to this because it loses its shatrantaness because of the absence of another helpful thing. in the absence of another helpful thing, because this form resembles lat bahuvachana, we take the lat bahuvachana as the rupa. So we say spuranti is the tinganta and kani spuranti, nakshatrani spuranti, kutra spuranti, akasha spuranti. That is still sensible. There is nothing wrong with saying spuranti in the sense of simple present tense. But here spuranti santi brings the spuranti form into napumsaka bahuvachana shatranta. Please carefully note this. Okay, it is happening with gachanti also, patanti also, prachalanti also. So we have to look for the whole sentence and conclude slowly. Okay, like I told, there is a lot of overlap. Quite a lot of overlap, not like that is not the majority, but there is 20% or 10%, whatever percentage overlaps are there in forms. Marge yanani gachanti santi. On the street, the vehicles are moving. Vrikshat, oh, that we saw already. Vrikshat patanti parnani vayuna nitani. This is an easier place to identify shatrantas because something more useful has been told beyond just santi. When only santi is put, we get confused. But here there is no confusion. So parnani vayuna nitani. By the wind, the leaves are taken. Okay, this is a nitam, nite, nitani. Okay, this one is ktavatu past tense bahuvachana. Okay, so vrikshat patanti parnani. The leaves that are falling from the tree. Now the parna becomes the subject for the second half. Vayuna nitani. By the wind it was taken. So all that shatranta stacking is behind the karma pada, karta of the active kriya pada, which is parnani. So patanti parnani, kutaha patanti, vrikshat patanti parnani. Kasmat patanti or kutaha patanti. Akanksha padati allows both. Loke prachalanti yuddhani shanti priyanam hridaye khedam janayanti. Again, second half is dominantly large, so it's easy to recognize the shatranta. So hridaye khedam janayanti. In the heart, the dukkha it generates what? Yuddhani. Yuddhani, so that is the karta, bahuvachana karta of this janana kriya. So they create dukkha in the hearts of shantri priyas. In whom? In shantri priyanam hridaye. Kesham hridaye sashanti priyanam hridaye. Shashti. So the shantri priyanam is only associated with the hridaya, and hridaya itself in saptami. And because it's saptami, because it is the location of the unhappiness. See how this hridaye khedam janayanti, the location of the generation of unhappiness is in the heart. Heart being in the kind part of the head. Because heart responds to that, we say in the heart. Loke prachalanti yuddhani. Kidrishani yuddhani prachalanti yuddhani. Ongoing wars. Kutra? Loke. Another saptami reference for that prachalanti. That's all, nothing. Okay. Loke prachalanti yuddhani shantri priyanam hridaye khedam janayanti. Okay. Next, some dvitiya vibhakti examples they have given. Manavaha nashyat vastram yata tyajati tatha atma nashyat shariram tyajati. Now what happens in napumsaka? So you see palam shabda only you take, which is the first standard word we learn in napumsaka. Palam phale palani, palam phale palani. There is no variation at all in dvitiya vibhakti with respect to prathama. Okay, that's how it has been, and that's how it has been authored in the grammar of grammarians. They didn't try to say no, we should make it a variation and invent some variations. Okay, so accordingly, in this sentence, how do we know it is in dvitiya vibhakti? That is by vakya vivaksha. So in the vakya, we have to look out for the associations and conclude this is not playing the role of a karta, it is playing the role of a karma as a accusative target of the kriya, like that. Okay, so let us try to understand that in this first sentence. Why this mouse keeps disappearing? Manavaha nashyat vastram yatha tyajati tatha atma nashyat shariram tyajati. So let us clip out the yatha tatha portion. remove the yatha tata from your mind, split the sentence so that we analyze it in parts. Okay, manavaha nashyat vastram tyajati, full stop. One thing is finished. So yatha tata brings the second thing into equation. Since we are splitting it off, we stop here. So manavaha nashyat vastram tyajati. So vastram tyajati, kaha tyajati manavaha. You cannot say vastram eva tyajat asti. Okay, तो तर्हि मानवः इति प्रथमायाम् अस्ति, मानवः त्यजति, किं त्यजति इति प्रश्नः उदेति, तत्र वस्त्रम् इति द्वितीय एकवचने उत्तरं लप्स्यते। तेन साकं नश्यत् इति शत्रन्तरूपं योजयित्वा नश्यत् वस्त्रं त्यजति, मानवः नश्यत् वस्त्रं त्यजति, a man or a person, let us translate it as a person for now, person, the declining or the whatever other English word, the cloth that is going old, he rejects, he bundles it away for rejection. Okay, yatyajati, he tyaga karoti. So yatha sah tyajati tata, second part, Atma nashyat shariram tyajati. So Atma is the equivalent karta in the second half, like Manava is in the first half. Atma tyajati. Atma kim tyajati? Shariram tyajati. Atma leaves the body. Kidrisham shariram nashyat shariram. So yada asmakam ayuhu samapta bhavati. Ayuhu iti strilingam va syat nama. समाप्ता इति स्वीकरोमि. आयुः समाप्तं भवति, समाप्ता भवति, किमपि स्यात्, तदा आत्मा शरीरं त्यजति. तथैव. So there is a famous Bhagavad Gita verse that beautifully talks about this. So will not worry. Almost all of you will know that. Vrikshat patanti ambraphalani balaha sangrihnanti. Sangrihnanti, sangrihnanti, it's up to you. Okay, I will not go too far there. Vrikshat patanti ambrapalani. So ambrapalani sangrihnanti. So balaha is the karta. Balaha sangrihnanti. Okay, kani sangrihnanti, ambrapalani sangrihnanti. Kidrishani ambrapalani sangrihnanti, patanti ambrapalani sangrihnanti. Kutaha vrikshat. Atava kasmat patanti amrapalani vrikshat patanti. Okay, so both are objects here to the collection kriya by the bala, who is the karta, or many boys, many balas. Samyak karyam akurvat yantram tantrajnah samikaroti. Are यंत्रम सम्यम कार्यम अकुर्वत. ओ अत्र नै अकुर्वत इति. Guys, we have to be very, very awake. Look this akurvat, akarot, like that it sounds. Okay, so we think it is past tense lang or something like that and get confused. So it's very, very carefully we have to notice. So kurvat is the original shatranta. Okay, just focus on kurvat yantram. The doing, that which is doing that instrument or something, yantra. Okay, so kurvat yantram. Akurvat here is a negation of the kurvat. Okay, na plus kurvat, actually ana is the thing. Anyway, na kurvat becomes akurvat. Okay, so not working. Karyam akurvat means not doing yantram. That's why he is doing samikaroti. So I was confused because he's saying repairing. Samikarana means to make it work properly. Make something proper is called samikarana. You can use it for many, many things. For ironing also you can use samikarana because it is to make the cloth proper, like that. Say that way. Here in this case it is repair in context. And tantrajna is clearly one who knows the mechanism of the yantra. One who has the software for the hardware. Tantrajna, yantrasya tantrajna. Samyak karyam akurvat yantram tantrajna samikaroti. Nice one. It puts us off here. Number 8, let's see what they have said here. Not working. They have highlighted the negation aspect here in case we get confused. Yuddha kale akashe gachat shatru vimanam sainikaha patayanti. So in the war time, in the sky, going enemy plane as an object, the warriors, they befell it, patayanti. So they make it fall. 10, cause them to fall. Yeah, nice. Nagarat agachat vimanam. Shatru is addition to the vimanam, shatrunam vimanam. So shatru vimanam samasta, but you can look at it as gachat vimanam. Kutra gachat akashe, kasmin kale atava kada yuddha kale. You can say kasmin kale or kada. Kada is easier. Kada yuddha kale akashe gachat. So this kada becomes kada for this whole sentence really. Huh? Don't look at it as a visheshana of akasha or something because they're in the same vibhakti. Nagarat agatah graminah vegena gachanti yanani drishtva ascharya chakitah. Nagarat agatah. I think this is incorrect here. Nagaram agatah. Nagare agatah, something like that can be used. Nagarat, why it is there, I don't know. But anyway, let's take it. Let us take it literally.
Gramatlen Vandavan, can it come? I don't.
Nagarat is the from the Nagaram.
That's why there was. That's why I was nonplussed by the sentence. Just stand by. Let me complete the sentence.
Correct, sir. Sentence is correct.
Nothing wrong syntactically. Semantically, I was trying to take the meaning why the Gramina comes from the town somewhere else and then gets surprised. In the town, he gets surprised, right? That's why I was hesitating a bit. Okay. So Nagarat agatah Graminaha. So from the town, the fellow who came, who was also a villager, Graminaha, villager. So the villager who came from the town, somewhere else, obviously he came. He didn't come to the town. He came from the town. Panchami. Okay. Vegena gachanti yanani. With the speed going vehicles as objects, drishtva, having seen, ascharya chakitaha abhavat, surprised fellow, abhavat, I assumed, he became. Okay. So my only hesitation was why Nagarat. Nagaram agatah graminaha would have been better. The one who came to the town by seeing the vehicles that are whizzing around, he was surprised. Now today maybe we can.
That might be his experience. You know,
that he is recounting to his village.
Yeah.
Well, good imagination. Or it could be that this Gramina encountered only slow vehicles in the town and he encountered fast vehicles only outside, which is the truth, real truth.
Okay. No, in some of the vernacular Malayalam Samskrita Bharati books, it's written as Nagare Agataha.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that lookup. So looks like the editions, some editions have composition errors. Yeah, good, very good. Oh, you're using Malayalam reference book also. Well done.
No, I mean somebody else in another class told me this.
Oh, okay, excellent. You're a good student who is already reading ahead and understanding things. Highly appreciated. Udyane vikasanti pushpani pashyantah janaha santosham anubhavanti. So in the similar to this Nagare Udyane, so in the garden, vikasanti pushpani. Just be patient, guys. Sometimes when I hesitate, just to be patient. I will come out with it. Okay. Vikasanti pushpani, the blooming flowers. Pashyantaha janaha, the seeing people. Now look here. Pashyantaha janaha. There is a shatranta there in pullinga bahuvachana. Okay. You must notice that it is not highlighted, but it's obvious now. Pashyantaha janaha, seeing those who are seeing such people. Santosham anubhavanti, happiness they experience. So vikasanti pushpani. Okay. Because the darshana kriyas karma is the pushpa, this is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. though it looks almost as Prathama in sound, but it cannot be the Karta. So that's how we conclude. The Pushpas don't see. Okay, somebody else sees the Pushpa. So Jana becomes the Karta for this portion also. Okay, so that's how we have to conclude. Patanat.
Long sentence.
Is there some question, Bhagini?
Long sentence, I said, sir. Long sentence.
Thank you. Okay. Patanat, Jatat, Vranat, Sravat. How long that description is beautiful. There is actually relation there, but lots of Panchami, but with relation. Okay. Sravat Raktam Drishtva Balaha Rodanam Kritavan. Balaha Kimapi Kritavan. Balaha Rodanam Kritavan. Kim Kritva Balaha Rodanam Kritavan or Kimartam Balaha Rodanam Kritavan. Then Drishtva Balaha Rodanam Kritavan. Kim Drishtva Raktam Drishtva. Kidrisham Raktam Sravat Raktam Drishtva. So Napumsaka Ekavachana. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. So Sravat Raktam. So Kutaha Sravat Vranat Sravat Raktam. Okay. So you can kind of indirectly go Katam Vranat, something like that you can say. How injured Katam Vranat Sravat Raktam. So then you can say Patanat Jatat Vranat. Okay. By the fall having happened that Vrana. Jatat Vranat. Okay. Pratanat Jatat Vranat. You like this is a stack, very interesting. But anyway, the focus is on Sravat Raktam. Just focus on this much. Sravat Raktam Drishtva. All this is additional help for us to keep learning few more things beyond what we are focusing on. In the first, Sravana means to Sravana is to dripping.
Dripping. Okay.
In the first lesson of Parichaya, you have learnt about Visheshanam and Visheshyam in detail. You have learned that two will be in the same gender, number and case. Oh, we have been taught that extremely extensively there. The present participle forms, Chatranta, are used as adjectives. Earlier also we saw this sentence about adjectives. Okay. Hence the above rules applies here also. Udaharanam. Pita patantam balam drishtva hrushtavan. I think some of the earlier sentences, some time earlier we had seen, they have used. Okay. In this case, it's Pullinga. So I don't know why they pulled a Pullinga example. Anyway, patantam is the Visheshanam of balam. Okay. Hence it is in Pullinga, Dvitiya Vibhakti and Ekavachanam. The Prathama and Dvitiya forms of present participles in neuter gender are as follows. So both are Gachat, Gachati, Gachanti. Gachat, Gachati. They have not used any Dvivachana so far, because Samskrita Bharati tries to focus on Eka Bahu and comes to Dvivachana slowly. Doesn't avoid it, but doesn't try to over focus on it to help you focus on what you call 90% of the use cases. Okay. Not because they don't advise using Dvivachana. People always make the wrong conclusion and start finger pointing. It is laughable. Samskrita Bharati is trying to focus you just like Panini does. By the first sutra, he focuses you on the 90% case. That's what they are doing. Okay. Gachat, Gachati, Gachanti. Therefore, the usages will be like Vikasat Pushpam Spurati Nakshatre Gachanti Anani. First time we saw Dvivachana pair like Spurati Nakshatre. Nakshatram Nakshatre Nakshatrani. So there is a Spurati in Dvivachana. So you have to be very careful. You cannot go Spurate Nakshatre. So you have to be aware of the correct Shatranta form. Okay. Gachanti Yanani. So this three forms will be identical in Eka and Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhaktis. The masculine nominative forms will be like Gachan, Gachantau, Gachantaha. Long back we had studied this. The Shatranta forms of Pullinga and Napumsakalinga in all 7 cases are as follows. So what they have done, this portion, it will be nice to write down in your scratch book as a reference sheet and keep it. Okay. Or in your file of sheets that you note down. So it is better to also write by hand and keep it. So it will become a practice for handwriting. Printing is a very easy, but printing doesn't imprint anything on your brain. It only prints on paper.
Can you send it in WhatsApp, our group?
I'm just telling you why I should not send. My God. Okay. I am telling you, print it in your brain. Okay. So
Kindly
anyway,
send it.
Bhagini, I will
Kindly
send
send
it.
it.
I will send it, Bhagini. I'll send it. Patan patantau patantah. Patantam patantau patatah. Patata patadbyam patadbihi. Patate patadbyam patadbyah. Patatah patadbyam patadbyah. Patatah patatoho patatam. Patati patatoho patatsu. He patan, he patantau, he patantah. They have given the Sambodhana also. In some places, maybe Patan Rama. Hey Patan Rama. Hey you Rama who are studying. Maybe you can use along with Rama. Maybe Hey Patan makes sense also. Okay. Then they just showed the first couple of vibhaktis and Sambodhana for Napumsaka. Okay. Patat patanti patanti. Patat patanti patanti. Patat patanti patanti. In Sambodhana also there is no variation. Okay. So very clear. Okay.
Sir, Mahodaya, in Napunsakaling, Ditya Vibhakti is not Patanti. It is Patati. It is a mistake.
I think.
Patati.
So,
Yeah, I had got it confirmed through
Ah.
Sanskrit Bharati. Patati, Patanti.
So that's why it is highlighted in rows. So in case you have a book edition like mine, which is not corrected, so patat, patati, patanti. So if you remember here, if you go back here, gacchati, here is the clue. Gacchat, gacchati, gacchanti. Okay. Spurati, another word also is given without the nakara. Spurati nakshatre. So here is a mistake. Okay. So that pink thing, I should actually put a cross next to it, saying it is incorrect. So patati is how you read it. So patat, patati, patanti, like that it goes. Okay, in Napumsaka. Rest of the forms are as in Pullingam. That is similar to Tritiya onwards, patata, patadbyam, like that. Okay. So they have given for patat or pat dhatu. You can this most normal dhatus get covered under this. So for now it is sufficient. The participle
This
is
page
there a
is not my book.
is
Is it
there
in
a
all books?
is there a question?
Yes, this page is, you have typed it or it is in the book?
Please check the book. It is from the
It's
book.
not in the book as it is in my
It is
book.
in the book, sir.
It is in
My-
the book in
It is
different
on page
places.
65.
65.
Page 65.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
The rest of the forms.
Mahodaya,
Hmm.
the Napumsakalingam, Dvitiya second Vakyani, Eka Pratama Chaturdasha Vakyani Vrikshat Patanti. What is the difference between these two?
See,
Four.
number 1 through up to 11 was in Ekavachana, Napumsaka. Okay. Then 12 onwards, 12, 13, 14, 15, they are all in Bahuvachana. Okay. But both all this set is Pratama Vibhakti set. Why it is Pratama? Because we know how in the sentence it sits as the Karta. Okay. In the second column here, number 1 through 7, Dvitiya Vibhakti examples given. Some are Ekavachana, some are Bahuvachana. That's all. Okay. Then in the explanation, they have given samples for Dvivachana also.
I can't understand the difference, sir, on the second, the Dvitiya and Pratama.
Madam, that is the whole thing we were discussing. We were repeatedly saying that the Pratama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti forms and even the Sambodhana forms of Napumsaka Linga are identical to look at. So we have to use Vakya Viveka to understand the Vibhakti. Okay? Yeah. Exactly that's what we just studied. Patat, patati, patanti, patat, patati, patanti, patat, patati, patanti. He has been thrown in just to indicate Sambodhana, that's all. It's not really part of the word. It is a additional explanation word that is thrown in. The rest of the forms, the participle likhat, which will be likhan, likhat in Pullinga and Napumsakalinga respectively. Gachat, which will be Gachan and Gachat in Pullinga and Napumsakalinga respectively, are declined similarly. That means in Pullinga it goes like Patan, in Napumsakalinga it like Patat up to Dvitiya Vibhakti and switches over to the masculine table. Okay, that's what, just why they have given both reference here. Likat is the Pratipadika, Likhan is the Pratama Ekavachana Pullinga, Likat again is the Pratama Napumsakalinga Ekavachana. But the common Pratipadika for both is Likhat. Takaranta Pullingaha Atava Takaranta Napumsakalingaha evam. Following are the feminine forms of the Shatranta in the 7 cases. Okay, so now the Strilinga has also been added here for combined nice slide, which I will share. Okay, so that we can keep it as a reference. But it's better if you make a clean copy by removing all the errors and have it in your own hand, in your scrapbook. Patanti, patantyau, patantyah, patantim. I apologize for the crosstalk from somewhere. Patanti, are I mute and somebody unmutes. It's like a game for me. I'm playing a game here. Patanti, patantyau, patantyah, patantim, patantyau, patantihi, patantya, patantibhyam, patantibihi, patantyai, patantibhyam, patantibhyah, patantyah, patantibhyam, patantibhyah, patantyah, patantyoh, patantinam, patantyam, patantyoh, patantishu. He patanti, he patantyau, he patantyah. How it is running? Nadi shabdavat somewhat. Nadi, nadyau, nadyah, nadim, nadyau, nadihi. Nadya, nadibhyam, nadibihi, nadyai, nadibhyam, nadibhyah, nadyaha, nadibhyam, nadibhyah, etc. like that. So, if you know Ikaranta Nadi Shabda, you are pretty much in the correct wicket for going for Strilinga declensions of Shatranta. It's not a difficult thing to do. एते पाठांशाः अग्रिम अध्यायेषु सूचिताः सन्ति न अस्मिन्नेव पाठभागे. So I put a star here to indicate, because Bhagini got confused. Where am I pulling all this from? This is a little from ahead in the book. I have pulled this because I just wanted.
It's from page 102, page number 102.
So those of you with good memory, please mug up page number 102. एते पाठांशाः अग्रिम अध्यायेषु सूचिताः सन्ति. अत्र चित्रणे किमस्ति? बालिका पठन्ती अस्ति, बालिके पठन्त्यौ स्तः, बालिकाः पठन्त्यः सन्ति, अस्ति स्तः सन्ति, बालिका बालिके बालिकाः, पठन्ति पठन्त्यौ पठन्त्यः. See how each of them is twisting and declining in their own worlds. The Viveka for us is in the head to get it right, not confuse between the 3 of them. One is a Kriyapada declining across the Vachanas, and one is a Shatranta declining across the Vachanas, and other is the Karta, which is declining across the Vachanas. Karta and Shatranta are both Namapadas. The Kriyapada is a Tinganta. Okay. All right, so with 1 minute left, we can try a little abhyasa before we call it a day today. Let's make the Sunday a little sweaty for you guys. Adaha dattanam dvitiyanta rupani ekavachane likata. So please write the dvitiyanta rupani. You know, something is missing here. Let's see. Kridan chatraha kridantam chatram. Kridan, kridantam chatram. Actually, it should have said adaha dattanam shabdanam dvitiyanta rupani likatha iti. Dattanam shabdanam iti missing there. Okay. So kridan iti dattam asti. Yata rudan shishuhu iti dattam asti. Okay. Rudan shishuhu iti pratamanta rupani. Rudan shishuhu, the crying baby. Rudan shishuhu kimapi karoti. Rudan shishuhu rudati.
Rudantam shishum.
Rudantam shishum is how we would translate. Okay. Rudantam shishum. Pachan surendraha.
Pachantam surendram.
Pachantam surendram. Pachantam surendram. Well done. Khadan janakaha.
Kadantam janakam.
Kadantam janakam.
Janakam.
Dhavan agrajah.
Davantam agrajam.
Dhavantam agrajam. Pullinga is very easy game. Piban pitruvyah.
Pibantam
Pibantam pitruvyam. See, they have already given the Pratama Anta, etc. So it's an easy game to switch to Dvitiya Anta. If they just give the Dhatu, then it starts becoming a little more challenging. Okay. Anyway, they're trying to give the exercises with a low level of difficulty so that we climb a little bit at a time. Skhalan Narendraha.
Skalantam Narendram.
Skalantam Narendram. So what is Skalantam Narendram? The Narendra who was sleeping.
Sleeping.
Like it is happening right now. Arohan Shikshakaha.
Arohantam Shikshakam.
Arohantam Shikshakam. The teacher who was climbing, I think, a tree. He can't be climbing anything else in India. Chorayan Gopalaha.
Chorayantam Gopalam.
Chorayantam Gopalam. Okay. In this case, it is our little Sri Krishna. Don't confuse this with any other jailbird. Our little Sri Krishna who is stealing a simple Navanitam. Not anything very dangerous. Uttishtan Prabhakaraha. What does it mean? The rising sun. Beautiful, different way of saying it in Sanskritam. So, Uttishtantam Prabhakaram Drishtva Aham Namaskaran Samarpayami. Kimapi. Chintayan Acharyaha.
Chintayantam Acharyam.
Chatraha kimapi na kurvanti iti chintayantam Acharyam Aham Santvanavachanam Dattavan. Kimapi. Chintayantam Acharyam. The worrying teacher. Etesham bahuvachana vachanantarupani likata. So in this case, now we have to switch to bahuvachana is staying in the see already they are all in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. So Dvitiya Bahu we have to go. So little exercise. Gayantam Gayakam.
Gayataha Gayakan.
Gayataha Gayakan. That's what I have written. Gayataha na. Gayataha. Anyway, you check it. The final page has the correct answers. Smarantam Navikam. Marataha Navikan. Very good. Marataha Navikan. Nakara is not there. Marataha Navikan. Okay. Actually, I did not deliberate. I should have put a reference of all those pictures, but I have not put here. It's okay. All right. Prichantam Shikshakam.
Pruchataha
Shikshakan. See, that's what this exercise is easy enough, but it is trying to the reason why I am making you guys mouth the answers, etc., is so that some imprinting happens, not much else. So slowly we get imprinted when we start doing this. Suchayantam Nayakam. Suchayataha Nayakan. Very nice. Okay. So what is the meaning so far? Gayantam Gayakam means the singer who was singing and the singers who were singing both as objects in some sentence. Similarly, Smarantam Navikam, the boatsman who was remembering, I don't know what he was remembering, how to swim. Shikshakam Prichan.
The sailor might be remembering
how to swim, remembering how to swim. It doesn't matter. Okay, don't worry. I'm just trying to throw a joke there. Shikshakam Prichantam. So to the teacher who was asking. Okay, Prichantam Shikshakam. So many teachers who are asking whatever questions, I guess. Suchayantam Nayakam, indicating leader. The leader who was giving a directive. Directive, not direction. Okay, direction can also be taken. Usually you call it directive. Chalayantam Rajakam.
Washerman washing.
Kshalayataha rajakan. Kshalayatah rajakan. To the washermen who were washing. Kshalayatah rajakan mantri rupyakani dattavan. Something. Okay. Pashyantam vikshakam.
पश्यतः वीक्षकान्
Pashyatah vikshakan. So vikshaka is the fellow who looks. Okay. This we use even in all our mother tongues also. Audience. So the more like vidians, if there is a word like that in English. Pashyatah vikshakan means the audience who are seeing. Anusarantam. Spectators. Very good. Anusarantam putram.
Anusaratah putran.
Anusahatara putran. The sons who are following other girls, not the father. Patantam chalakam. Patatah chalakan. The drivers who are reading mobile phone while driving. Somebody scolded like that. Okay. So the exercise will become little more interesting for you guys if you not only do this and try to throw some interesting sentence and have a laugh yourself. And then the exercise is also fruitful. Okay. So very good. I think let us just try to finish this slide. We have such nice Ganapatis helping us. Adastanam koshtakam drishtva udaharananusaram Ganeshah kim kritavan iti likhata. This is very nice. Okay. Ganesha, what all he did, please write, but use the koshtaka. Okay. Ganeshah, something, some verb. Okay, so some Shatranta pairing and some verb. The Shatranta pairing is the karma for whatever Ganesha does. So Ganesha ahutavan, Ganesha invited, Ganesha smrutavan, Ganesha remembered, Ganesha unnitavan, Ganesha lifted or took something up, Ganesha grihitavan, Ganesha caught something or held something, Ganesha shlagitavan, Ganesha appreciated something, Ganesha drishtavan, Ganesha saw, Ganesha prishtavan, Ganesha asked, Ganesha kimapi kritavan. Kim kritavan, kam tat, what is the karma of that ahvana or the smarana kriya, etc. is the list, and that has Shatranta forms. It so happens that they have given it in Prathama Ekavachana, Patan Putraha, Likan Chatraha, but they cannot fit like that. Ganesha Patan Putraha Ahutavan will make a nonsensical sentence because Ganesha is also in Prathama, Putraha is also in Prathama, Patan is also in Prathama. So you will end up reading that as Patan Putraha Ganesha Ahutavan, which is fine as a sentence, but it doesn't convey anything. The Ganesha who was also a son who was reading, he invited, whom he invited we don't know. Some such vague sentence it will make. It will not be illegal because all of this can go as qualifier to Ganesha also. Remember that. They all can stack up behind Ganesha as qualifier. So here the intent is Udaharananusaram. That's where the clue. So they given first answer. Ganesha patantam putram ahutavan. They ask you to switch it to karma position. So becomes the object of Ganesha's kriya. Okay. So all right. That is what we have to do now. Okay. So Ganesha smrutavan. Kim?
Likantum chatram.
Likantam chatram smrutavan. Okay, fits the bill. So patantam putram already was given. So likantam chatram, I think already aligned. I wish they had scrambled it a little bit for us. It would have been. It would have made it a little more funny.
Yes.
If they scrambled
This is very straightforward.
It's too easy. Ganesha unnitavan.
Rudantam
shishum. Rudantam shishum. Very good. The crying baby he lifted up. Ganesha dash grihitavan.
Skalantam
vriddham grihitavan. Very good fellow Ganesha. So he held the old man who was sleeping. Ganesha shlagitavan.
Gayantam snehitam.
He appreciated his friend who was singing praises of Ganesha. Okay. Ganesha dash drishtavan.
हसन्तं जनकम्
हसन्तं जनकं सो कः कः आसीत् सः हसन् जनकः कः गणेशस्य
शिवः
शिवः गणेशः शिवं दृष्टवान् गणेशः हसन्तं जनकं शिवं दृष्टवान् वेल् डन् जनकं शिवं दृष्टवान् वेल् डन् यू गाइस आर गेटिंग द हैंग ऑफ इट गणेशः डैश पृष्टवान्
चिन्तयन्तम् अनुजम्
so Ganesha is a student who is helping me, so the Anuja who is worrying is asking. Okay, fine, I'm happy. That's one student exists like that. All right, so this Ganesha here from beautiful internet, he is here doing very nice acts. Here I don't know what he's doing. He's holding something red, but here he's holding a Kamala, and here he's doing he's playing Krishna. I think he's playing different gods. Oh, he's playing different gods. So nice. Here last one he is playing Saraswati.
Like Krishna. Saraswati, Krishna, then
Lakshmi. First one we can't
Lakshmi.
conclude. Modakam. Ganesha only. He's playing Ganesha only. Very correct. Very interesting picture. Okay. I don't know why Lakshmi has a peta, but anyway, it's interesting. So, Rekankitanam Shabdanam Bahuvachana Rupani Upayujya Adastana Vakyani Punaha Likhata. So, they have given Japantam Bhaktam, we have to pluralize it. So, Bhavan Japantam Bhaktam Ma Pidayatu, Bhavan Japataha Bhaktan Ma Pidayatu. So, the activity is quite straightforward. As a pair, you have to switch the Vachana. Okay. Japantam Bhaktam, Japataha Bhaktan. So here you see now these exercises are having mix of lingas, at least of what is taught. Okay. The Pullinga, Napumsaka mix may happen. So Maheshaha Davantam Balakam Sprishtavan.
Davataha Balakan.
Davataha Balakan. What is the question, Bhagini?
Pidayatu is afraid.
Pida. You don't know Pida?
Trouble.
Pidai. Tamil Pidai and சொல்றேன் அவன் வந்து பீடை Maheshah Davantam Balakam. What is happening to Tamilians? They're forgetting their Sanskrit words. Who are you listening to? Don't forget them. Maheshah Davantam Balakam Sprishtavan.
Dhavataha Balakan.
Sir, we try to remember Tamil and நல்ல வார்த்தையை மாத்திரம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறோம் சார் பீடன்ற வார்த்தையெல்லாம் வேண்டாம்
உங்க தேசத்திலேயே எங்களுக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் பீடா அப்படி சொல்றீங்க மாதா க்ஷீரம் பிபந்தம் பாலம் திருஷ்டவதி
माता क्षीरम
पिबतः बालकान or balan no kap pratyaya so balan only okay so mata kshiram pibatah balan drishtavati balaha and balakah mean the same. One is with the kap pratyaya. That's similar to how balika and bala is there. Sanmarge gachantam sajjanam
Gachatah sajjanan.
Gachatah sajjanan. So next sentence you guys tell.
Gayatah
nartakan. Gayatah nartakan.
Namattaha sadhakan.
Actually, stop here, guys. Gayakam.
No, Gayantam Gayakam. It is Gayatah Gayakan, Nartakaha Ahutavan.
Gayan. So the underlining confused us completely.
That was wrong.
There is a mistake in the book. That's why I also got non-plus. So the underline should have been Gayantam Gayakam. Simply blindly the middle two words have been underlined. Okay. Yes. Gayantam Gayakam Nartakaha. They switched the kartru to the last pose. So Gayantam Gayakam Nartakaha Ahutavan. So Gayataha Gayakan Nartakaha Ahutavan. No need to pluralize Nartakaha Ahutavantaha. But if somebody has to pluralize the whole thing, you can do that. Bhaktya. This one you tell.
Bhaktya Namataha Sadhakan Devi.
Namataha Sadhakan. Well done, Bhagini. Namataha Sadhakan. Doordarshanam Pashyantam Putram.
Pashyataha putran
Janakaha Tarjitavan. He's a lucky father with so many putras who are all seeing TV. Okay, all right. It's a story of many
doing
households.
online studies, na? That's why.
Online study on the TV, yeah. Okay, internet TV nowadays. Okay, Bhagini. So with that good thought, let us conclude the day today. Good Sunday. So please relax. If you find time, do study. Open the book and study. Some of you are doing that. It's so nice. So we will gather back next Saturday. Keep plowing ahead. Okay. All right. End the class today with a nice namana. सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्वीनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
धन्यवादः
बाय बाय